month, so I wanted to go ahead and budget out my paycheck, my first paycheck for February. This is what I got paid, $2,316.98. Actually, no, $152.68 was cash back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and set that under yearly memberships right away. So it's $152.68 there. I just always use my cash back for covering any yearly memberships. I know I'm 160 or so were from the Amazon cashback Chase credit card. I'm gonna go ahead and set aside $1,200 for rent right away. There's a lot of money there because I was out of town during the month of January. I was helping take care of my grandma in Mexico, and then my landlord, he was out of town also, and he doesn't live nearby, but he insists on picking up the rent payment in person. So that's that. Groceries is gonna be $250 for the month. I'm just gonna budget out the whole month. Transportation is $400. Now I did drain my transportation category because I got into a little bit of an incident. And I also had to get some money from my fun employment category to go ahead and fix my car. So I've been thinking, I really want to save up to travel, but at the same time, I know I should probably really be saving up to get like 1 or 2 months ahead. And when I budget a month ahead, I like covering all my expenses plus my savings goals because it's just a little easier for me. And just basically replace 1 month or 2 months of income, have that fully funded, but I don't have money. Well. Anyway, so next thing I'm gonna cover is my investments, which is $25 that comes out of my brokerage. And what else should I cover? $100 for gifts also. And $120 for utilities, which gives me $69.30 to work with. So I'll just leave that in the Roth. When I first figured out what I was going to be getting paid, I did do like a budget, like a screenshot of what I intended to budget or allocate my money for, and I posted that on Instagram and TikTok, I believe. So make sure to go follow me on there because you can see my plan a lot sooner. But I also wanted to film this for just people that don't have TikTok and Instagram. So what I did is just I reset everything, and pretty much almost the same amount came out. I do have a little bit of overspending in the credit card. I need to go ahead and reconcile all my accounts to figure out why that is the case, and overspending on health and beauty, but I'll go ahead and cover that with my second paycheck. Thank you all for watching, and let's move on to paycheck number 2.